Today we're going to be going over how to mount rifle and pistol mag pouches to a battle belt. Now, whether that's our traditional battle belt that you see here or one of our battle belt lights, the steps are the exact same. So a couple ways. The first way, and the way that we prefer a lot of the times, is with easy tape. So if you buy any of our rifle or pistol mags, it's going to ship with easy tape. Easy tape is a super simple, super strong way to attach just about anything to a battle belt. So what you're going to do is feed the easy tape down through for the 1.75 and 2-inch belts, go down to the 4th slot. All you're going to do is line it up where you want to. You're going to put the Velcro down, fold it back over, and then there you go. It's not going to go anywhere. Easy tape's very, very strong, especially when you sandwich it in between the inner and the outer belt. Now, the second way we're going to discuss is with our Blue Alpha MOLLE straps. MOLLE straps are more secure because you're actually physically weaving the item to the belt, but there are a few more steps that have to happen with that. So the first step when you get your MOLLE strap is you're going to want these 3 slots facing up. And when you're working with a battle belt or a duty belt that has MOLLE on it, a little trick to ensure that you can have the room to slide something up is if you bend the belt, these little loops on either of these will fold up. So that way you can just slide, as you know, I'm struggling here. As you can slide the strap through, and all you're going to do is just pull the strap up as high as it can, and it'll stop itself right there. And then from there, what you're going to do is feed the strap in to the top slot, and then push it back down into the first MOLLE strap, or MOLLE slot. And then from here, you're just going to weave the item, whether it's the rifle or pistol mag pouch, back and forth a couple of times until you have nowhere else to go with it. And then for our MOLLE straps right here, the last thing you have to do is tuck it down underneath the first slot. And then take your finger and make a little hole, take the tab, fold it back into itself, put it in, and then there you have your MOLLE strap attaching your pistol mag pouch to your battle belt. I hope this was informative. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below and head over to bluealphabelts.com now to check out any of our products.